So hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a little job on the Mustang. Yeah, so let me show you. So here she is. Now she hasn't actually been anywhere in the last 2 or 3 weeks because the weather is rubbish. So she's just sat in the garage, and I was going to take her to a car show this weekend, and even that's not looking promising. So the problem I've got, let's get down to the business, is when you pop the boot, yeah, that all works fine, yeah, but the boot is really heavy. There's like no resistance, and I think these two struts are gone. Okay, so these two struts, if you look in there, yeah, stabilus or something, not quite sure, but anyway, there seems to be no resistance. Yeah, it's like it's not doing anything. Yeah, so I think they're gone. So I went on eBay here in the UK, and they want £50 for two new ones. Yeah, and I thought that seemed a bit expensive. That wasn't even including delivery. Yeah, that was another £5 nearly on top. So I thought I'd go on Rock Auto in America. Okay. I've managed to buy the exact same ones that are on it, okay, ship them from the United States to here with all the fees, the taxes and everything. Like I say, same brand, £30. How on earth does that work, yeah? I don't know, but anyway, I think a lot of things seem to be cheaper to import them than they are to buy here. I don't understand that, but anyway. So we're going to fit them, yeah? And hopefully this fixes the problem. So this is what we've got. There they are, yeah? So there's the numbers from if you've got one of these. What this makes me laugh, look, this one's made in Germany and this one's made in Mexico, but they both come from a place near Los Angeles. Yeah, no idea. Not to say, but they're exactly the same, and they are the exact ones because I've had one off to check. So to do this, you put a screwdriver under here, yeah, you prise this little clip forward, and the same with the bottom one. Now the bottom one looks more awkward, and then you just pop a new one on. So let's see how this goes. So there we go. It actually was very easy, and it just popped off. This doesn't actually feel that gone. I don't know, but I can't press it in. But let's put a new one on. Actually, that does feel a little bit gone. This one, I can't even press it in. Yeah. So yeah. Good. This one says made in Germany just there, so I'm presuming the other one says made in Mexico on that bit. Oh, look, hang on. Mexico. That's, yeah. So let's have the German one this side, and we'll have the Mexican one this side. So to put these back on, I think you just push them on, and the clips will just clip it themselves, yeah? You see what I mean with the screwdriver? You literally just put it under there and pull the clip back, and then just pull it. So, yeah, let's see how this goes. So yeah, very easy, just push them, push it on. Now let's see if there's any difference. Oh yeah, look, straight away it's a lot better. So let's get this one done. So like I say, just put the screwdriver under this little piece here. You literally sort of do something like this, and it will just, there you go. And then I've just got the bottom one. So I'll do the bottom one off camera, it's a bit easier. So yeah, this one says Mexico. Yeah. So these ones actually say they're made in the USA. Estonia. So them two come from the same place. Right, let's get it on. So that is a completely different situation now. Look at that. See, look, it actually, yes. Oh yeah, look at that. It doesn't even make that horrible bang now. Oh, hang on, I've just locked it now, unlocked it. So this should be a lot easier. Oh yeah, look at that. That is twice better. So if you have a Mustang, yeah, this is 2007, but it's registered here 2006. I don't know why, but anyway. If you need some new struts for your boot, yeah, because it's getting a heavy boot lid, or it just doesn't, I don't know, like before it was slamming really hard, now it's nice and smooth. Rock Auto, yeah, like I say, these were £50 here in the UK, and it was some brand that you'd never heard of, yeah. Now, these were, like I say, £30. If you do use Rock Auto, send it via FedEx, because apparently, well, it seems to cover everything, yeah? And I mean, these cost sort of £10 on postage. I think there was like £5 tax, and these were actually like £7.50 each, brand new, yeah? Which, I mean, like I say, they're £50 here in the UK with like £4 postage or something, £5 postage. So you think you save yourself a lot of money. But yeah, Rock Auto, yeah? So, very happy with that. So, quick little video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Like I say, I'm not doing a lot out here this time of year because it's naff. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you all very soon. And yeah, have a great weekend.